Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause your YouTube search history. It's pretty quick and simple. First of all, you have to open the YouTube application in your mobile. You can do the same procedure in computer as well. So to pause your search history, we will tap on your profile icon at the very top right here. And you can see in the midway down your data in YouTube. You can tap on that. Now this will load up and say at the very top, browser delete your YouTube activity, and I can scroll down until I find YouTube search history, and you can see that it's currently set to on. I can tap on that, and then if I scroll down, it will give me the option right here to turn it off. So I can tap turn off, and it says it will pause my YouTube search history. And what I can do is tap on this pause here and then hit OK. And then what this will do is it won't delete my entire old search history, but it will pause and not keep any of the new search history going forward unless I manually turn that back on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.